which nutrient is the main source of energy? Is it letter A, protein, letter B, vitamins, letter C, carbohydrates, or letter D, minerals? Letter C is tumpak. Now remember, meron po tayong apat na macromolecules, no? Malalaking mga molecules sa ating katawan. Minsan po tinatawag po silang biomolecules. Now, your carbohydrate, this functions to provide quick energy. Ang monomer po niya, no, yung building block po niya are monosaccharides. Pansinin po natin yung monomer, ha? Ibig sabihin po niyan, building block, yung mga maliliit na unit ng ating pong carbohydrates ay tinatawag pong simple sugar or monosaccharide kasi naitatanong po yan sa LET. Proteins naman po natin is for building and repairing our body tissue. Ng monomer, building block ng ating protein would be your amino acid. Of course, for your lipids, this is storage of long-term energy and to insulate the body para hindi tayo lamigin. Ang monomer po nito are your fatty acids and glycerol. Finally, you have your nucleic acid. No? This stores and transmit genetic information. Monomer are your nucleotides. Examples of these, of course, are your DNA and RNA. Ang DNA po natin is for genetic information, kung bakit tayo nagiging kamukha ng ating tatay, nanay, or combination, or lola, lolo, no? Never tayo nagiging kamukha ng kumpare ng ating tatay, wag naman po sana. Or yung ating RNA, no? Another example of your nucleic acid, ang RNA po ay ginagamit sa paggawa ng protina.